Alright guys, I want to show you how easy it is to upgrade your Toyota Camry. If yours looks like this, I want to show you how easy it is to upgrade to an LED headlight. So that's the stock one. All you're going to do is turn it left, like so, pop it out, and you squeeze here and pull out the bulb. Okay, once you've got that, put this one over here. Now, you don't have to plug it in just yet. You can actually mount this one line this thing up properly. There we go. And we're going to turn clockwise so that it's in there. And we take this one and plug it into here. I'm going to see if I can do that one-handed. Alright, here goes nothing. Sorry guys, I'm trying to film with one hand and do the installation with the other hand. There we go. Turn that on. There you have it. Those are looking incredibly bright. Those are way brighter than the previous ones, I'll tell you that much.